Hello, today I'm going to make a special drink. It will nourishes the lungs, resolves phlegm, and relieves cough. Ingredients: you will need apples, dry figs, north and south almond seeds. You will need dry dates and water. Use a pot. Bring 10 cups of water to boil. Prepare the ingredients. I used 2 apples. Wash it, chop into slices, keep the skin on, and take off the seeds and core. The north and south almond seeds, each is 1 tablespoon. Dry figs, 8 pieces. Dried dates, 2 pieces. Put the ingredients in the pot of water and bring it to boil. When it starts boiling, lower the heat into low medium and boil for 45 minutes. After boiling for 45 minutes, turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. After sitting for 10 minutes, you can start serving. This is the drink. It tastes a little bit sweet, but not that much. It has apple flavor and figs. This is the drink that will nourish your lung, relieves cough, and resolve phlegm.